Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. Today I'd like to show you a comparison of a daily usage of notification for the Huawei Watch GT2 and Galaxy Watch 46mm using this camera gimbal on my wrist. So if you like this video, please press good button and subscribe. Okay, let's go. Software version is latest, available in Japan as of December 2019. I also uploaded some Lifehack videos, so if you like it, please check from my channel. Always on mode is disabled on both watch, and display wake up time is almost the same. As you can see, when the notification comes, Galaxy Watch tells you the notification while you lay down your hands, where GT2 only show you the notification when you see it toward your face. So I think it's better for power consumption and privacy point of view. GT2 is better than Galaxy, I think. On the other hand, Galaxy is better from the icon point of view. GT2 only can show you the same icon for some application. Gmail, you can see the Gmail icon even on GT2. And the biggest difference is GT2 only can show you the notification, while Galaxy Watch can reply to the email with the certain sentence, or even you can write it. Like this, hello, or even with voice. こんにちは. It says hello in Japanese. Right? So good point. In summary, Galaxy Watch can reply. Huawei GT2, power consumption and privacy just show it at waist up position. Thank you for watching. I will do another comparison. So if you like it, please subscribe. See you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.